How to choose a network marketing company. You're thinking about joining the industry, or maybe you're looking at a new opportunity in a different company. What do you look for? Well, the first thing that I would say is you've got to decide, do you want to build face-to-face or do you want to build online? And I'm going to go into that further in this detail, but make sure you think about that. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. On this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks in my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. So, how to choose your network marketing company? Well, the first thing that I think you need to look at that I mentioned earlier is, do you want to build belly to belly or do you want to build online? So you've got to look at the network marketing company and you need to figure out which way fits better with your lifestyle. You know, for me, I like to build 100% on social media. It's how I've hit the top ranks of my company. Building online, I don't have time. I'm a busy mom of 2 girls and I, build my network marketing business full time, but I didn't always do that. And so I knew for me, it was important to build my business online. So I needed to find a business and a company that was in line with that model, right? But some of us are really good at networking face to face. We want to build belly to belly. And so you've got to ask yourself, when you're starting to look at a network marketing company, which way are they building? And is it in line with what fits to your lifestyle? The second tip I have for you is, are they using the trends of today, right? So are they using attraction marketing? And you guys, I talk a lot about in this channel attraction marketing because it's how I've hit the top ranks of my company. In fact, make sure you go back and you check out how I rank advanced 11 times, because one of the things that to my success is attraction marketing. So are they using attraction marketing to build their business, and are they teaching attraction marketing, or are they using more of like an old style way of building where you're doing the parties or you're doing meetings in hotel rooms? So that is something that you definitely need to look at. Tip number 3 is you have to decide, do you want to go and sell products or do you want to go and sell services, right? Where does your passion lie? Make sure that you're fully aligned with your company, because you have to be passionate about what you're selling and making sure that it's of interest to you, right? Like if it's something that doesn't sound exciting, guess what? You're not going to be able to share it because your excitement's not there, right? Part of the reason that I've had success is because I'm excited, and excitement is contagious. And when you have excitement and you have passion for your products, it shows through into your company. And the fourth thing that you need to ask yourself is, there's actually 2 different schools of thought. Do you want to join a company that's been in existence, that's been around for a long time? It's very well established. However, at the same time, because it's so well established, there are many different distributors or marketers or whatever their names are, right? In the industry. So it's kind of a saturated market, but it's a very stable market. Then the other question you have to ask yourself is, are you looking for more of a ground floor opportunity where there's lots of room for growth, but at the same time, it's not a very established company? And we know that there are plenty, if not hundreds, of network marketing companies that go out of business each and every year, right? And those are the ones that are a little bit less established. So you've got to ask yourself, what feels better for you? Are you a risk taker that you don't mind taking that risk and knowing that your company may fail? Or do you like to have a little bit more stability, but know that maybe it's a little bit of a saturated market? So those are the questions that you have to ask yourself when you're building your network marketing company, or when you're thinking of joining a network marketing company. And what I have for you is, I have a worksheet of your daily DMO, your daily actions that you need to be doing each and every day, especially if you've decided to build on social media. Somewhere in the description below, you can click on the comments and you can get my, daily goal worksheet for you, your daily method of operation, whatever you want to call it, of things that you need to be doing each and every day to grow your network marketing business. It's in the description. And then my question of the day for you is what is the most important thing to look for you in your network marketing business, or if you're looking for a company, which one really resonates for you of those four. So put it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And again, this is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you are tuning in each and every week where I drop you some videos on how to build your business online. I will see you next week for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.